Hey guys, this is Eric from Top Flight Trades. It's November 23rd in the evening. I'm getting ready to do a little workup before tomorrow. The market opens tomorrow, so I have my routine where I go over the markets, check my lists, do that kind of thing, and get ready for tomorrow. Put some plans together if I'm looking to get in on any stocks, try to put some plans together, update my watch lists, update the premium picks list, do that kind of thing. So I wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on, and we'll jump over to the screen side right now, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Thanks. All right, guys, the first stock we're going to look at here is CYBR CYBR. I talked about this a little bit last week. What I'm looking for is it's bouncing off the 42 here. Looks like we got some good support here. I'm waiting for it to bounce off. We did a little bit here, hoping to get some confirmation of that tomorrow. Hopefully it breaks these new highs. I want to see it go above this candle body. More importantly, I'd love to see it go above this wick and reach an all-time new high. So we'll keep an eye on that. My stop is now back at my buy point right here at 39.80, 39.79, wherever I got in. 39.79. That's where I'm at. That's where my stop is. I will raise it some more. If we get a good day tomorrow, we go green, I will raise it up probably right above 40, just in case we don't get a shakeout here. But I will raise it next ways. That way I ensure I am profitable. Looking ahead, we'll look back here real quick to GoPro. Back at GoPro here, I bought in, I don't have the number with me, it was right under 80. I got in right here, and must have been this candle here this day. I got in under 80. It went up, had a bad day. That didn't really scare me or anything like that. I was still within my range of trading. My stop, I hadn't hit it yet. It was down in here. It was the mid 76s. I was doing all right. There was some support there. That's cool. I look back. I got some other big red candles historically. That's fine, you know. Whatever. I'm ready for this to break. Well, the next morning, I guess that was the 20th, 21st. So I guess that was Thursday morning. It was gapped down in the pre-market. Well, here's the problem. My stop order was right here, let's say. It was a 76. Now all the action's underneath it. So basically, my order did not get filled. That's one problem with a stop. If you hold your stop too tight and the stock gaps down and it jumps over your order, you don't have it in play. Okay, this thing could have tanked all the way down to 50 and my order still would have been sitting up here. So what I had to do in the morning, waited till the markets opened and I canceled the order and I reset it. Okay, obviously I had to set it lower. So what I did was I watched a 5-minute chart, wanted to hope for any kind of action, and basically I waited for it to find a quick morning high outside the at the open. I usually wait about 15 minutes for the stock to play out. Well, in the morning, I believe that morning it rose pretty good in the morning. It gapped down and then went up. I'll never find it. But anyways, I did get out. Took probably a good 7% loss on it. My stop was at like 3.5%, but because the gap down jumped my order and I had to put it down here, I lost more than I thought. Good move because it's continuing downward. I don't know where it's going to go now. You see this line right here. Now we got the, what's that, the 100-day moving average? Yeah, there's a 100-day. We got support back here at 64. I don't know. I'm not in, so I'll move on. OTEX, you talked about OTEX really quick here. I got in right here at the green line on this day. My stop is currently set right here at 55. I'm hoping hoping this thing turns around here. Let's see where we're at. I don't think it's going to come back down to the 50-day here. Looks like we got some probably some support there about where I'm at. Basically, when I bought in, I wanted to break this new 57 high here, which it did at that point. So maybe it'll come down to here again. Hopefully it doesn't come out and shake me out and cross over my stop here. But I'm expecting this thing to turn around. If it does turn around, I'll raise my stop as it goes, of course. So hey, I want to do a quick look here at some of the other things that we got on the list here. This is the premium picks list. Let's go jumping up ahead here real quick. MBLY, we're still waiting on entry on that. That made the list, and we've had a couple of down days. There's support just underneath where we're at right now, right here at the $42.95. So you could say probably a good $43 mark. Some good support there. We'll probably might come down and touch it tomorrow. If the markets are green, we might get a wick and touch it, maybe go through it a little bit, but I'm hoping we bounce off it and continue upward. If the markets are red next week, we're probably going down. But again, that made my list. I'm waiting for entry, and we'll see about that. I talked about GoPro. UHS is still looking good. I am not in this one. This made the list and was a really good stock to get into. I think I got in right there. What was the date? On the 15th. The 15th. Yeah, that. Oh, okay. So yeah, we would have got in on that date. It made the list on the 15th. So you can see here we're doing pretty good. Currently at 5.7%. Not bad for a week. There's cyber. Okay. AER. We're still waiting on AER. SIMO. SLXP. Well, you can see the results here. Some of these are still in play. I mean, they have a lot of ways to go. I mean, 3, 5%, 7%. The run's not over. These things will go further. Okay, they're strong, solid companies. As long as the market's chugging along in the green, we'll be chugging along in the green. So, if you look at some of these stocks and you like them, and you want to look at SLCA, you say, okay, great. Let's take a look at that. It might be a good, depending on your strategy, it might be a good buy point right now. But these are good long holds. Okay, SLCA right here. It made my list. SLCA, where'd it go? On the 6th of November. SLCA, 6th of November. So back here, it's a good low spot. It's slowly creeping up. All right, well, if maybe you want it to clear this high. Maybe you want to wait till it clears 52, 51, the body of this candle back here. Or maybe you want it to absolutely clear 52.90. Whatever your strategy may be, or maybe you'd strictly rely on technical indicators. Whatever. These are all good winning stocks. The one in here, the UBNT, this one was an error. The stock clearly did not meet the fundamental criteria to make my list, but I published it. It was an error, so I'm not taking it off. But you can see, do not play. It's an error. It's turned out to be a crappy one anyways. There's 5. It's currently at 16%. That's great. THRM. Let's see what we're looking at here on this one. Kind of chugging along. So we might be able to see some action this week. That'd be nice to see that. Again, these stocks, I have confidence in these stocks that these are all winners. All right, so jumping back down here again, where are we at? So looking in October, we got a few. Where's this? Celgene. That's like 21%. That's doing pretty good. Yeah. So, oh yeah. So where do we get in? Celgene. That was back on the 17th. There you go. All the way down there. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Wow. I did not get in this. I wish I had. Right through earnings. Yep. Beat earnings. Surprise. 6 cents up higher. 7.3%. It's awesome. So here we go. What a nice solid run. See, if you would have said, "Oh, it's too late. He's right here. We'll never get anywhere." Well, geez, look at that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now we're gonna break out of this week. I bet you right now. Let's look at that. It looks pretty sweet. Set that right there. You got a nice run here. Williams R's up crossing. All right, yes, this might get a good break out of this week. So it's worth a watch. All right, folks, that's what we're looking at right now. Sorry for the long video. I've done this 3 times, and I've made the video long every single time. So I apologize. We're looking forward to a good week. Tune in the morning. We'll take a look and see how the markets are. All right, guys, this is Eric again from Top Flight Trades. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Tune in this week. Looking forward to a good week. The picks, premium picks list will be updated, I'm sure. And we'll go over those, and I'll try to give you a play-by-play update through the week and what we're holding, what we're doing, what we're buying, selling, what the market's doing, that type of thing. So happy trading, and I hope you have a good week. And it's going to be a short week because we have Thanksgiving coming up this week. So just in advance, I just want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. And I know it's the holidays, it's a busy time, but I find it's really important to, of course, sit and think and realize and understand what you're grateful for, because I've had a rough road a few years ago, and boy, I'm grateful for everything today, absolutely everything. And so I hope you are too. Just another little life lesson. So thank you very much. I wish you and your family a blessed and happy Thanksgiving. That's it. Happy trading. Thanks.